Yes, be a showman.
Agini. I pull up with my granoto. Agini.
Who sang this thing, Steve?
That's Runtown, baby. Runtown, baby.
Runtown singer.
Runtown. Shakara, if you want to beg properly, I will give you if you want. Why you did say?
Why you beg me to beg?
Why you beg and to beg?
But you did beg before now.
Me.
And you can't decide no beg.
Now when they see me for this bar, I beg. I never beg person when they chop turkey or better thing. Granite. That way buy
Shakara take. I'll give you. I'll select at least like maybe 5.
Chai.
I'm not that local. You go. I don't see. Get to know. See. Now even for black nylon.
I won't put that.
You go.
Collect.
I go wind down now.
Go give her.
I won't buy granite.
Collect.
See me.
Collect.
I don't suffer. They give me granite. Someone they give me granite.
Oh yeah, chop.
I will get we don't show again. I don't say ask me the entire screen.
And after now they'll say I get pride. Man just chop. They say give my granite. You know give collect get pride.
Liar.
We don't show anytime we don't fall in here. Now we carry all the etc. things and come on you on top Bubbles Yarn. Yes, so now say this show now be your night tonic. Where they make your nights prolific as you they enter your bed. I beg, you know, say I always say regularly with my men them on top of the show what they call Bubbles Yarn. And since 2014, we done they save plenty relationship. When I know say we they giving us the hope for here. Yes, when I know say my men them they here, but before I will see my men them.
Ugo.
I want showman. Give me on now. I'm a man now. Showman. Showman. Anytime you see woman like this, all your body will back.
Chop my granotes. Now why they para?
You chop your granotes. Now because
you know you get shame. You don't get shame. Woman chop your granotes, you they cry.
Now the girls when they fall in love with person, granite love.
Let me tell you. We find love in hopeless places.
In granite shape.
So in granotes.
Let me tell you.
That's
this is
find
true love. When a girl can eat granite, take my dear, let's show them what love is. Don't mind this room.
Meanwhile, do this thing.
Showman. This love way they find. Now just to give granite, you know rich kiss.
Wait,
if you kiss, I give you my salary.
Ugo, you know
that love. If you kiss, I give you my salary.
Ugo, granite seed. Let us get the collect like this. Banana. How you want to collect banana?
Mashup.
You get banana.
I get plantain.
I beg. When I don't say our sexy or temple with this bar with us today, her name Nakel, and she be one very, very sweet, sploofing chick. We be say if she dress you up, you're gonna say yes. Person dress you up. She be silenced, and she be person be say anytime when she come, look you finish. She go tell you waiting you go wear. Her name na Pearl. No verse.
Pearl.
I go call him Kel. I'm a hamien name him Tansef. The beauty has intoxicated me. I don't know.
You see, the problem with that I always get is say they always want rush to claim person something. If you allow me to introduce
Claim what? What are we claiming?
to say that I'm introducing now, Shafa don't call am well.
What are we claiming? I don't need to claim it. She said it from the beginning. I am
fine girl,
back.
Pearl. Which where are you from? Which beach? Sorry.
Which water carry you come here?
Sorry. Your town state, sorry.
But that's true. You never have to talk anything so far. Yeah. We won't hear your voice because I just want to know whether I'm moved by what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? So.
Hi, Shakara.
Hey.
Okay. My name is Pearl. No be Kel.
I
never thought you don't call me Kel.
If I tell you why
If
he
I
call
thought
you,
you
if I tell you why he call you Ken.
Oh!
If I tell you why he go call you Ken.
I tell you.
Hold on, leave this to someone to tell her.
Ex-girlfriend, I care. Yeah. You know that care.
You know they call this thing ex-girlfriend. Maybe for the girl mine and ex. For Ugo mine.
In that present.
What's the enter between?
Just
hold soap for left hand.
Chai. Hold pure water for this side. They press.
You don't say I pass that level.
Go away.
Before we even go on to the
that.
topic of today,
Yeah.
and even as I mentioned, we talk about them briefly. You know how many celebrities really form? Say they be celeb. All the Genevieve, the Woo. You know how many guys we don't for on their clothes? Only them they don't rubbish shoe finish.
But why not?
They don't carry the picture.
But why you don't call your girlfriend name for this?
They don't carry the picture.
Why
like
you don't
this.
call
Once they
your
carry the
girlfriend?
picture, except say they don't get soup. As they carry the picture, it's a hanging like this. Oh, God. Then your father, they come on.
Shakara experience.
you,
But you don't
just
do
say
it
that,
before. But you don't
just-
do it before.
Pearl.
I beg for
I mean,
your
you went
stop.
trouble.
Maybe just introduce
Well,
yourself briefly. May know you small and make people know you small.
Okay, my name na Pearl. I be fashion style and design consultant. As Safi talk am for Pidgin. I come from Abia State.
Now my state where I like me that too.
I know.
I like
I know say you
Abia.
must
So you
like
want one
Abia.
level
Wait, sorry, I don't live for Ohafia before.
I know half year.
Ohafia, Asaga. I don't live there.
That area,
That area, I did there.
Okay, I know from that area, from
Wait, sorry,
Akwete.
I don't mind. Anywhere from that side is still okay. And I
We
bet
rode
it
to
was
Port
last week.
Harcourt.
Oh.
Yes, actually, it was last week.
Happy birthday. dear.
Thank you. Thank you. I mean, I could actually just touch you right now.
You don't come. Aye, you don't
This
come.
na local Igbo man is doing this kind of thing.
Why you get money now? Not be money girls for Lagos, they find now. You
You
get
see?
money, be Igbo, you know, sabi speak
This
English.
is the way you talk now, you
Nah,
don't remind
that's
you of
So if
something.
you marry local man who no fit speak English, we get plenty money.
Nah, it's the money that is talking now. You want to spoil my market.
So
I should
that
not
means you don't
follow a
believe in
rich
love.
man.
So you-
love.
In other
Love
words,
Bakwako.
are you saying this
Like I shop groundnut on
this
the matter.
groundnut love? So this groundnut where I saw you now is not enough for you.
We go wake up, carry us center the main matter. I know they do business. Only hand with the
Wait, make I give her granite.
Says he collects. Be like that Two-Face and Whiskey video.
Yes,
Okay.
I beg.
We
We
are
enter
there.
the matter. We enter the matter. We're there. I beg. I want to talk this matter today. If you find out, say, person gamble or bet, say if it date you, how you go feel or what you go do?
Why you leave this matter for dates? I think you can't enter crank.
No, okay,
All of
more
them.
put and say
All.
all
You know, say
together.
that, you know why I talk this crank? You know, say when we did secondary school for high school, this thing happen when two boys, they don't know when anybody experience them. They'll bet on top one girl. Say,
I go
I know if I'll
crank
crank this girl. You say that like
Bros.
they happen.
Many guys is one, but the one I be saying that way with the way they ask and where for like
Chakara,
how
whether
I
na date, whether na crank, whether na crank, whether na cranked, whether na cranking, whether they come for future. The most important thing we say that time when in bet, when me and the guy did together, he spend money on top the matter. He spend money, guy. He got his money in return. You understand what I'm
don't
saying?
spend money because we follow shortcuts.
You know if
Show
it's,
you
you know if
people,
I never
fake
see the
love.
man
No,
wey
but
go show me fake
Pearl,
love,
my-
follow shortcut
my
come.
issue now, this
The other
matter.
get the money, and you, okay, bet if you like, bet $1 million.
No,
Come,
Pearl.
you spend like 500 on top the matter. Open leg for you. You're getting
No,
money.
but Pearl, wait, no, Pearl. You now they talking like say because you never come marry the guy. Imagine say now the guy you can't marry the guy in the end. Then maybe after like 2 years,
You can't find out.
maybe another person will tell you, now a friend come one, they come, they argue, say,
well,
I bet
na
they
the
go,
yab.
this your wife, now me, it will make you marry him, now bet we bet. So how you go feel when
You go feel.
I will feel bad. I mean, I'll feel very bad.
you feel, because I know, say,
I don't be say I don't the talk say I will feel very bad. I did do like this. I go die.
no, but wait,
I'm telling you, I'm not. I don't.
even
mean,
when you and this guy don't get children,
I don't mean like physical death. I mean like emotional death.
inside, you don't,
Inside, I
you
go
don't
die, and I
follow
tell you that
finish.
guy go follow me die.
No,
He has to go down that road.
we will not think physical death because no Nigerian girl, especially Igbo, just dey say break my heart, I'll kill myself. For where?
But you know, say even girls they follow place bets.
Yes,
Yes, now.
Say they go follow. So I want to know you don't place bet on any.
No. I'm not in that category. I so much believe in love. I mean, like when
No.
you gave me that granite.
Oh baby.
Hey,
See,
hey.
that's why they come. This is not real
Chaka,
life.
na only you I never
This is not
touch.
real life warning. Don't be joke. Next time I won't talk before.
Not only I never thought. I want Waka come there.
No
Come
mind
with
now,
you.
no mind now.
I beg, make you do go for street. When we come back, we
Focus.
go talk more matter. Focusing, I don't. In fact, I'm not focusing because sorry today. Sorry.
So, did you like what you just saw? I know you did. It's very simple. If you want to see more, just subscribe to our channel right now.